It is almost spring, huh? Almost spring. Yeah. And we're going to extend your coop so you have more running around room. Yeah. We got some fresh grass today. Yeah. Because Craig's very good to you guys. Yeah. He treats you so good. Yeah, he does. Huh. You guys happy babies? There's Amelia. Hey, Amelia. Ooh, sorry, girl. Where's Karen? No, she's not. I think, oh, she's right there in front of you. No, she's right there eating from your hand. Goofy. Oh, look at the little wiggle butts. They're so cute. Look at the ducks. There's Sven and Jet and Rowena, the Rune duck. There's Vanilla Ice and Christian. And there's Ola. She's our favorite. Yeah. Pretty babies.